Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive into some essential tips for managing periods effectively. Whether you're new to this or looking for ways to improve your routine, I've got you covered. First things first, understanding your menstrual cycle is key. Knowing the typical length and symptoms can help you prepare and anticipate your period better. This knowledge will empower you to take control of your cycle and plan ahead. Maintaining a balanced diet is crucial during your period. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help alleviate period symptoms. Avoiding excess sugar and caffeine might also reduce bloating and mood swings, making your period more manageable. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help reduce bloating and keep you feeling more comfortable during your period. Hydration is key to feeling your best during this time of the month. Exercise regularly to help alleviate cramps and boost your mood. Engage in light exercises like walking, yoga, or swimming to stay active and relieve period-related discomfort. Your body will thank you for it. When it comes to menstrual products, choose what works best for you. Whether it's pads, tampons, menstrual cups, or period panties, experiment with different options to find what suits your lifestyle and flow. Don't be afraid to try something new. Maintain good hygiene during your period by changing your menstrual products regularly to avoid odors and infections. Taking care of yourself in this way will help you feel fresh and confident throughout your cycle. If you experience pain during your period, don't hesitate to manage it. Use heat packs or take over-the-counter pain relievers to alleviate cramps or headaches. Your comfort is important, so don't suffer in silence. Consider tracking your cycle with a period tracking app to monitor your symptoms and predict when your next period will start. This can help you understand your body better and plan ahead accordingly. Remember to practice self-care during your period. Treat yourself to warm baths, indulge in your favorite treats, or pamper yourself with a relaxing skincare routine. You deserve some extra love and care during this time. And lastly, if you have severe period pain or irregularities, seek medical advice from a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice and treatment options to help you manage your periods more effectively. I hope you found these tips helpful for managing your periods. Remember, everyone's experience is different, so feel free to customize these tips to suit your needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time.